Imamia Medics International presents University Medical Complex, Karachi, Pakistan. Future multi-specialty healthcare project for our worldwide community. Construction update. During its 30 years of serving humanity, Imamia Medics International has completed several health and education projects across Pakistan. Fighting disease and poverty from the mountainous Parachana city to the arid Third Desert. And now, Imamia Medics International is positioning itself to serve humanity at an entirely next level. University Medical Complex is IMI's contribution to shoulder the dismal state of healthcare in Pakistan. IMI core team members visited different countries searching for a suitable base to establish an international institute for emerging global medical professionals. After critical review, a collective decision was taken to initiate the project from Pakistan. One of the biggest metropolises in the world, with over 20 million population, Pakistan's financial hub Karachi is miserably short of quality medical infrastructure. To fill this gap, IMI, along with Baqir Health and Education Welfare Trust, with the support of Zaidi Abid Foundation USA, are working together to construct a state-of-the-art 500-bed hospital. A bold and sophisticated healthcare initiative that will provide world-class medical care to our worldwide community at a fraction of the cost. Situated in the Gulistani-Johar neighborhood opposite Karachi University, this 10-story building will host state-of-the-art medical facilities and will be backed by a highly skilled international faculty. %20 of the proceeds will be utilized to treat needy and deserving patients. This international flagship project is an effort to develop Pakistan into a regional hub for travel medicine. The project is estimated to cost $22 million and will take an estimated 7 years to complete. This cost includes construction of the grey structure, finishes, furnishing, medical and administrative equipments. To start construction of Phase 1, $2 million are needed. This first phase will include 2 basements and the first 2 floors consisting of 150 beds. To raise this amount, IMI has held a series of fundraisers across major cities in Canada, United States, and UK. The foundation stone laying ceremony was held in Karachi on the project site in 2021 and was attended by dignitaries including religious scholars, doctors, scientists, students, and media personnel. Since then, IMI headquarters has secured donations and pledges of over $1 million, while another $1 million is needed to initiate first phase of construction. To maintain the continuous operation of a project of such magnitude, construction will start as soon as the required funds for initiating the first phase have been secured. Efforts are ongoing to organize more fundraisers in Washington, New York, and Florida. IMI Pakistan is also running fundraising and awareness campaigns, putting up banners, distributing flyers during important events, and educating the masses about the project's critical need. Its first fundraiser was held in Karachi in December 2023 that proved to be a great success in introducing the project to the intelligentsia of the metropolis and raising funds. Life begins in hospitals, and it often ends in one. And in between, we try to avoid hospitals as much as we can. But we live our lives hoping to get a great opportunity like this that will create a support system that will touch the lives of thousands of deserving and needy patients. Help create a future hospital that will ensure the highest level of healthcare for generations, an innovative and revolutionary healthcare project that the entire community could be proud of.